Yo, what's going on, guys? Cruisc here, and today I'm going to be going over the trade recap for March 4th, 2025. It's a 2.1 RR. It's a market maker buy model, as well as a 2022 model entry, and it was taken off of a high time frame sweep into a low time frame imbalance. This is actually the trade I ended up taking. So we swept a high time frame low, as well as we had an SMTs at those lows with ES. I then saw a 1 minute market maker buy model to this 5 minute imbalance up here, or this buy side liquidity. So now we are in replay. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I was seeing in the markings I was creating. So we have these stacked equal lows down here, as well as on ES. Okay, so here we are on the 5 minute chart. So you can see that we're actually at 10 o'clock. I believe this is the 10 o'clock candle. Yep, this is the 10 o'clock candle. So now we're just going to wait for the liquidity sweep of this low down here of the sell side. Boom. Okay, now we got the sell side sweep. We're looking for a 5 minute inverse to confirm that we want to go higher. So on the 1 minute, we'll tap into this 1 minute. Now your first entry that you could have taken could be this 1 minute fair value gap. Now we should have inversed that. Yeah, okay, sort of. Okay, boom. So to get some displacement back up. Now, about right here, I did see that we didn't sweep this internal low, but I did see that we have SMTs at the highs. If you mark out this high to this low, you can see that this is discount. This 5 minute fair value gap, 5 minute fair value gap, target, or drawn liquidity, hasn't been tapped into yet, right? And actually, same on ES. So on ES, we do have the same 5 minute fair value gap as well. Now, so what I was doing right here was scanning through different time frames. So I do see that we have this 3 minute fair value gap, and then we should get a, yeah, there you go. So we do have this 3 minute fair value gap right here. 3 minute fair value gap, which actually ended up being the only fair value gap on here that did get respected, that I'd like price to come back into. What I did was I measured out the equilibrium of the 3 minute. Put my stop at the bottom of this candle, which is the one that created the was it the body? Oh yeah, the fair value gap candle is at the body of the candle. And then I just targeted the 5 minute imbalance. And actually, if we zoom in, let's see if we can get filled right here. Boom. Okay, now we're in. Our stop loss below the candle. TP up here. Then we can go to the 3 minute candle. And you can actually see we do respect it twice, so it should pop back down. Yep, we respect it again. Then the next candle, boom, we hit TP. Now this is about an 8 minute trade. Super simple, super easy concepts. We had our draw on liquidity, which is the 5 minute fair value gap after sweeping this internal sell side. And another thing that you guys may also use as Confluence is this 15 minute sweep. So usually what I would have done is 15 minute sweep, then go to the 1 minute, and then look for a fair value gap, which could be this one, right? So if this gets inverse, then you could expect this fair value gap to hold to go higher. But you do need narrative. My narrative on this was that we would at least pull back into discount before going lower. There is a reason why I didn't target way up here, like these relative equal highs or this imbalance up here, simply because I knew that the overall draw would be lower. Once again, this is what it looked like with the actual executions on the Trade Evade account. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys like this video. I do have some more educational videos on my channel, and I do have some playlists if you guys want to check those out. I will leave the link in the description to the market maker buy and sell model video that I just created recently, if you guys want to check that out and learn a little bit more about the market maker buy and sell models, as well as how to trade them and how to find them in price. But anyways, it's been Cruisc. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.